Hello, my name is Ahmet Börütecene. I'm a design researcher at Linköping University. Our paper's topic is automated warehouses of the future, where artificial intelligence becomes a partner in control rooms and works together with human operators in monitoring and maintenance. But how should such systems be designed to work well? To answer this question, we conducted a co-design process with Toyota, makers of automated warehouses. The design team body-stormed roles of operators and AI in a scenario where we explored human automation collaboration for baggage handling in an airport. And we came up with a concept. It has two key elements. It shows current and predicted system performance, and operators can try out possible actions suggested by AI before deciding which ones to activate. For the foreseeable future, we expect human automation collaboration to be the most fruitful design approach for the automated warehouse vision.